All right, it's the next day. We're gonna go check on these bees and see how they're doing. I'm gonna grab some of this here.
Oh, I see. You want more hay?
Yeah, he said just to take one of these every day and give it to him. You gotta keep it covered, otherwise it'll get nasty.
Yeah.
Sophie, how did you get on the other side here? Oh,
The
I
girls.
see. Lily's already out here. She's got her chickens. I love this weather. It's finally sunny. Kind of spread it around for him. This is Spotty. It's a boy. I figured that out. And Jingles is a boy. One of these is the mama goat. Hi, Willow.
Every time I put her on a branch, she just jumps onto my arm again.
Quite curious, huh?
Yeah.
Wants some of your tobacco.
You don't get none.
Mommy, I put Willow on Jingles, and she was riding on Jingles for a long time until we kicked her off.
Oh, yeah? Hello, Trigo.
I see a lot of bee traffic. Hopefully it's
Oh,
a good
boy.
time.
A lot of bees on top, too. Look at that. I can hear them in there. I don't know if the GoPro can pick it up.
I'm just looking for any battles going on, if they're fighting. Which they don't appear to be.
There's so many on the outside of it.
Yeah. Well, the weather's better today. It's warmer and sunny.
I don't see any fighting, but...
No, they seem pretty chill. That hive sounds a little bit loud for
They do
just...
sound pretty upset.
They sound upset. Are they upset because we covered their entrance, or are they upset because they're still under attack? We're just going to have to continue to monitor.
These ones seem to be communicating, don't they?
Something's going on. Well, we'll bring more honey out this afternoon and see what's going on at that point.
Yep. Y'all all happy eating your breakfast? You guys are so skittish.
Oh, come on, really?
She feels safer on your shoulder, baby. There's a little frog?
Yeah,
Oh, I
right
see it in that little...
And also, I saw another one over here.
They're everywhere, aren't they? Melly's been catching some fish. Oh no.
Yeah, I already caught them too.
You got 2 in there? You catching them for the ducks?
Yeah. I'm gonna let them go in their little pond.
Their little pool, yeah.
I just saw one.
Did you?
I don't know where it went, but I do not want to take my chance of making this. There it is! Look! There's 2!
I don't see them. I'm gonna go see if I can help Daddy. He's working. Nate's getting the greenhouse going. So Nate's building me some shelves in here. What are they? Tables. He's building tables for my greenhouse. They're gonna go all the way around.
Yep, one big wraparound counter.
Mm-hmm. So far I've just been using this table. All right, let's do it.
There's like plenty in here. I saw like 5. But they're really hard to see and catch. Why do you keep on doing that?
She feels safer.
Look,
Come here, Mochi.
move your shadow, move your shadow.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm messing up the fish catching.
No, that's not It's a crawfish.
Oh, really? You got a crawfish?
Okay, move your shadow.
Let me move myself.
I got it. Good, look at it. Okay, I think I got it.
You got the crawfish or the fish?
I don't know. Yeah, Lily, I got a baby crawfish.
Let me see.
It's somewhere in there. Look on the bottom.
Oh, I see. We got 3 fish and a crawfish.
But a baby one.
Oh, you got a frog! Oh my gosh! No. Come here, you little guy. Come here. Look at a big old fat one. Goodness gracious. She's the frog catcher. Aren't you, Starlight? Are you okay?
Mommy, Pumpkin's behind that tree now. She just tried climbing it. There she is again.
We're gonna have to catch her, baby. She's not used to being outside. I'm gonna go see if I can put this frog somewhere safe. I think you're okay. I think you're just traumatized. Are you traumatized? I would be too. Let's see. Let's put him over here.
I just caught a huge fish. It's this big.
Let me come see your big fish.
Look at that. Whoa. Let me see. Look, that's one of the colorful ones.
Where? Oh.
That's one of the colorful ones that we saw at the honeycut when they were swimming by
Oh,
all
when
those
they were
rocks.
swimming past our feet.
Yeah.
All right, let me go catch this chicken.
No, we can't feed that one too. We can't.
I can't find this chicken. She ran off again, and then she'll hunker down in a spot, and she just camouflages really well, and I can't find her. Melody came out. She's gonna help me. You don't see her in the cluster of trees over there? I had Lily bring Sophie around for me because I can't find this thing, and Sophie's good at sniffing them out. And she pins them down for me. Sophie, find the chicken. Get the chicken.
Not these
Get the chicken, Soph. Where is she? Where's the chicken?
Will this help if I had
Get the chicken,
any
Soph.
of the chickens in here?
Yeah. Get her, Sophie. Oh, she got it. Good girl, Sophie. At least she's on the other fence. I'm so glad because I couldn't find the thing. Sophie caught the chicken. I wasn't able to get her on film. I had to help Nathan hold some boards up. But Pumpkin's safe now, and she's in the chicken coop. Thank goodness for Sophie. I swear, I don't know what we would do without her. She is really good at catching the chickens or ducks. She'll pin them down gently. I mean, she is a bird dog. Good girl, Sophie. Good girl, Sophie. That's a good girl. Oh, you're good too, Bear Bear. You're a good boy. All right, I'm gonna go see if Nate needs more help. Hey, you.
Hey, me.
It's coming along.
Yeah, it's at the rickety phase right now.
Right, so you're just still putting the support up.
Yeah, the ground is nowhere near level, so each leg has to be kind of leveled in place, and then you just cut them all flush.
I'm excited. All right. Now that my chicken's safe, I can relax. I got this handcrafted Atlanta hard cider company cherry pie craft cider. It's really good. I like it. Drinking some water. Take a peek at these bees. It's got some more sugar water for them. They ran out.
Jen just came out to check on the bees, and she told me some good news. They're coming home with pollen. That means they're not fighting a battle anymore. Generally, when the hive is getting robbed, they go into full defensive mode. You don't see a whole lot of in and out traffic. But the fact that they're bringing home pollen tells me they may be out of the woods.
That little guy, he just went in, he had pollen. Oh, they do too. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but they keep the pollen on their little legs. But I see quite a few coming in with pollen.
Okay. We'll try to do this with a little more finesse this time. Seems like I'm always rolling these poor little bees when I do this. But in the past, I'm usually able to get this thing slipped under there. Hang on.
I don't want to be in your way.
Yeah, mosquito. I have to be very careful because there's all kinds of insects landing on me right now. And if it's a mosquito, I want to slap it away. And if it's a bee, that can have bad consequences. So
I see a mosquito.
yeah, I'm getting bit up a lot because I don't want to get stung up a lot.
Mosquitoes have been surprisingly bad today.
Got another one on my ear. So I know that under here is a bunch of little bees that are angry that I'm cutting them off from the honey. Well, we call it honey. It's just sugar water. So I'm trying to be slow. So they have time to like climb out of the way before I hurt their little leg. You can imagine the underside of this is just covered with bees. Let me try to squeeze the air out first so it doesn't drip onto them. Got to have a little bit of a vacuum so it's not just a horrible mess. Trying to go slow with that other bucket because I don't want to roll those little dudes that are stuck under it. There they go. They're escaping out the other side. I'm going to give them a second to kind of chill out. See that yellow jacket? Mm-hmm. And they keep fighting with it?
Yep.
They don't want to share.
There's two yellow jackets.
Two yellow jackets, yeah. All right, let me finish pushing this over. Move this one out. Okay, they're all chill now.
Ooh. Got some under the underside there.
I'll just leave them to clean that up when they're done with it. You're fine, Jen. Now let me slip this plastic out. Now the hive can access this other one. I'll leave this one till they're done cleaning it up, and then we'll come and pick it up later. You seem pretty happy.
Yeah. mosquito.
There, Bear.
Hi, girls. All right, we're gonna wrap it up tonight. We're getting hungry and tired.
Yep. Made a little bit of progress.
Yeah.
This little piece is gonna go there, so we made some progress, but
We're getting there. We're hoping to have the greenhouse all finished and done by, what, mid-September? I mean,
by the killing frost anyway.
by December. Yeah, we're supposed to get our first frost in the first week of December. I brought my tomatoes in here. All right, let's go get some chili.
Sounds good.
We'll see y'all next time.